No matter where you live, you just got to get out sometimes. This is a perfect October day. It's supposed to be a really high wind event tomorrow. And for reasons, usually logistical, I didn't have enough gas, or I was worried about my tires, or this wonderful car. It was like, why risk any other miles I don't need to? For those reasons, I have not gone the last 10 miles down Otter Creek. So let's do that today. Should be scenic, and at the end of it is Fort Howe, which is a frontier redoubt that we will explain later. I shall explain later. Okay, well, according to them, it should be there. You may not know this, but is the actual Fort House structure that I thought still exists? Yeah,
so it's down the road a piece, right before you hit the gravel, the store will turn into gravel, and you look to your left, up, kind of on a hill. It's all private property now, so you can't actually go up to it, but you see it.
Alright, perfect, thank you. I don't see it. See, it's supposed to be so obvious, but the only thing that looks obvious to me is this obvious thing. Does not look like what I would think it is. Which is a rock face. The cliff it appears to be. It's definitely not a sod redoubt. Look at here.
It's right on top of that hill, that old brick fort.
Oh, that's it right there?
That's it right there. You'll be able to see it better if you go back down, take a left, and go down that way.
All right, thank you very much. Got the prize on that. Wow, it's right there in front of me, too. Excellent. Thanks to this nice lady, she pointed it out. It's right here. Right there in front of me. So it does exist. And this is private ranch land, obviously. It's in their backyard. It's definitely getting on dinner time, and not for me, but a little bit too late in the day. But it's just 5 miles down the road, 10, whatever. I know exactly what to look for. Okay, let's get a shot of it. Alright, now I know what hill I'm looking at, the big giant one that's right in the middle and it's so obvious. Get the sun behind us. Got some good washboard here, but I'm probably just a quarter mile onto the gravel past the pavement end of Otter Creek. So that farm's pretty obvious. I got a little hill right here that's occluding it, if you can see. And there's the obvious hill. Let's take a look. I knew that it was on private property anyway. It was inaccessible this wonderful day. Wow, sun's going down fast. Time to go home.